Ming. Okay, there you go. So, okay guys, we're done feeding our Meng Meng, our cat, here in the park. So stay tuned. I will tour you around in the park, some part of the park, guys. And so, this is our Meng Meng. So let's go guys, samahan nyo ako. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog, I want to show you around. I will tour you around guys, dito sa park kung saan lagi tayong tumitingin ng mga cats. The place where to feed the cat, play with the goose, and a lot of more. Before anything else guys, please subscribe to our channel, give me a support, and don't forget to click the notification bell down there so that you will be always notified once we have new videos to be uploaded. Guys, look the place guys. This is Lake Park, Abu Dhabi. There's a lot of birds, goose, cats. Yung mga cats guys, nandito lang sa mga tabi-tabi, puno, sa ilalim ng mga plants, ilalim ng puno, ilalim ng mga fence na gano'n. Ayun, ang daming ibon. OMG. Guys, look the birds. Dami oh. So this is Lake Park, Abu Dhabi, where you can find dove, some other kind of birds like pigeon, albatross, what else, a duck, and goose. There you go. Ayan sila guys oh. Sometimes you can find there over there. There. Makulimlim yung panahon. So we're here at the lake bridge. May ilaw ito pagka pagka gabi. Ayan. Yung lake bridge. The highest or tallest water fountain dito sa lake bridge, Lake Park. Ayan guys, kita nyo yan. Ganda, diba? Look how beautiful they are. There's no babies. So maganda rin doon, marami ding doon, mga what do you call this? Yung yung duck na na itik. It's oh, there you go guys. Albatross. Ayun, kita nyo yung dalawa. Couple albatross. So ayan yung mga duck natin. Ayan. So, ayan sila oh. Ang ganda. So paano sila sumisisid? Ayan oh. White and brown. It's a brown or it's a gray? It's a brown. And more whites here. Ayan. So may mga pato din dun. So yun yung mga duck. Okay, let's go here. Dito tayo. So this is the place where I found stray cats, where I used to feed stray cats. Over the trees, over the plants, over the bench, and up on the trees. Wala na sa tree. Did you say that? Yeah. So where is Albertus? Albertus is there. Ang cute na. So, okay guys, we're here at the breakwater side. Ito yung breakwater kasi. Yan yung breakwater. So, ito naman yung sa downtown or sa city side. Nagdidilig sila guys, oh. They are watering the plants and the trees. Look. And ano ba yan guys? So nagwa-water sila ng trees, grass, and flowering plants. So this is the park where I used to walk after meal, or if I want to run for health. So, gusto ko mag-jogging, gusto ko magliwaliw. So it's very close to my place. So this is the place where I used to, if I want to release stress, I want to feel what do you call this? Union Lake Bridge, and this is the plane tree, one of my favorite tree, plane tree with beautiful flowers. And guys, okay guys, see, look, OMG, so beautiful. Wow! Look guys, so beautiful, very vibrant color. This is orange, right? Of plane tree from Boyan tree. So okay guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to support my channel, subscribe, and click the notification bell down there so that you will be always notified once we have videos to be uploaded. So have a good day, happy weekend, and God bless.